Finishing off CNC Group Break 2233 with the tin of 1112 Upper Next to Cup. Case hit. Case hit. Alright. So we start with a base card, number to 249 for the Boston Bruins, Cam Neely. We've got a two-color rookie patch auto, number to 249 for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening. Nah, Jeff.
Boo.
We've got a two-color rookie patch auto gold, number 3 of 32 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Joe Colborne. 3/32 for the Leafs, Joe Colborne. Oh, there we go. And we've got an auto rookie draft boards, number 20 of 25 for the Vancouver Canucks, Cody Hodgson. 20 of 25 rookie draft board auto for the Canucks, Cody Hodgson. We've got a base jersey, number 13 of 25 for the New Jersey Devils, Ilya Kovalchuk. And we finish with, oh, that's pretty.
That's pretty cool.
A Cup Foundations quad patch, number 2 of 10 for the New York Rangers, Mark Messier. 2 of 10 for the New York Rangers, the Moose. So here we go, boys and girls. Multi-randoms coming up.